In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz for funnels and websites in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean working quiz you can use to capture leads, qualify prospects, or guide visitors to the right offer. First, head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account to open your dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel in your browser, the official website link is at the top of the description. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Sites. This is where all of your web assets live, and it's the central place to manage forms, funnels, and website pages. Next, decide whether your quiz should live as a standalone form or be embedded inside a funnel or website page. Choose Forms if you want a simple, shareable link, or pick Funnels as websites if you plan to place the quiz on a landing page or within a multi-step funnel experience. Create your canvas by clicking Create New Form, or open your funnel or page builder if you're embedding. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to iterate. Now add your quiz questions. Use multiple choice fields like drop-downs or radio buttons when you want one definitive answer. Use checkboxes when more than one option can apply. For open-ended responses, choose short answer. Keep each question focused and unambiguous to improve completion rates. Customize each question by editing the field labels to match your quiz text. You can also tweak placeholder text and mark questions as required if skipping would break the logic or scoring. To make your quiz adaptive, enable conditional logic on the relevant fields. This lets you show or hide follow-up questions based on a user's answer, creating a more personalized path. Start simple, branch only where it adds clarity. If you need to store behind-the-scenes data, add hidden fields. These are useful for tracking scores, capturing source tags, or passing values to your CRM without cluttering the user experience. Design the layout so it matches your brand. Adjust spacing, colors and sections for readability, and preview on mobile to ensure it's easy to tap and scroll. Add your button, label it Submit or Next Step, so users know how to continue or finish. Set what happens after submission. A common choice is to redirect to a results or thank you page. You can also trigger internal actions like notifications or workflows as needed. Publish your form or funnel page to make it live, then test it end to end. Take the quiz yourself, try different answer paths, confirm the redirect or confirmation works, and verify submissions are captured. Thanks for watching.